Imagine being able to experiment with the world's most powerful AI models without needing fancy infrastructure, complex IDs, or massive coding expertise. Just a browser window and infinite possibilities. Welcome to Clythera Vox. Today, we're unlocking one of the most important tools for working with AI models, JupyterLab. Whether you're a student exploring AI, a professional building prototypes, or a tech enthusiast curious about how AI works behind the curtain, this video will change the way you work with models forever. What is JupyterLab? JupyterLab is the ultimate development playground for AI. Think of it as a supercharged digital notebook that blends code, text, visualizations, and experiments, all in one place. It's where data scientists build breakthroughs, where researchers test new ideas, and where developers refine AI models. Unlike traditional coding environments, JupyterLab is interactive, modular, and visual. You can run code piece by piece and instantly see how your model responds. Perfect for building, debugging, and understanding AI workflows. Why JupyterLab is perfect for AI. Here's what makes it a go-to for AI work. Inline execution. You can test prompts, modify parameters, evaluate model responses, and iterate fast. Data plus model in one view. Import datasets, pre-process them, call AI models, visualize results, all in the same space. Extensions for AI model viewers, variable inspectors, LLM side panels, kernel managers. The ecosystem is enormous. Reproducibility. Your entire AI workflow, code, prompts, parameters, outputs, lives together in one shareable notebook, local or cloud. Use local models via Ollama or LM Studio, cloud models via OpenAI, or even custom fine-tuned models. JupyterLab doesn't care where your model lives. It connects to all. Let's get started. Installing JupyterLab is simple. Pip install JupyterLab. Then you can start by typing JupyterLab. Once opened, you're greeted with workspaces, each with notebooks, terminals, and files. If you don't want to set up on your computer, you can use cloud platforms too. Google Colab, AWS SageMaker, Jupyter Hub on university or enterprise servers, GitHub Codespaces are some places you can find JupyterLab. Working with AI models. This is where the magic happens. You can create a new notebook. Write a simple cell to call a model. If you're running Ollama or LM Studio to use local AI models, JupyterLab can talk to them too. Just hit the localhost endpoint. Let's ask the Llama 3.2 model to explain quantum computing in one simple sentence. Write the code in the cell and click the Run button. It will execute it and give you the answer right in front of your eyes. Let's ask it to classify a sentence. I love learning about AI. It says statement is overwhelmingly positive. If I need to check another sentence, I just need to put it in a new cell. No need to rewrite the whole thing. There it is. See how easy it is to use the JupyterLab to work with AI models? This opens a huge opportunity to everyone interested in AI. Experimenting with prompt engineering. Change temperatures. Compare outputs. Log responses. Visualize token patterns. It's the perfect sandbox for learning how LLMs behave. Fine-tuning and training workflows. JupyterLab is made for the loop. Data, pre-process, train, evaluate, iterate. You can visualize loss curves, confusion matrices, embeddings, all in line. Multimodal AI. Images, audio, video, JupyterLab can handle it. Load, process, analyze, generate, all in a single notebook. Why JupyterLab is the future of AI work. AI is moving toward experimentation, rapid iteration, and hands-on testing. JupyterLab stands exactly at this intersection. Researchers love it, startups rely on it, students learn with it, professionals build real products with it. Because with JupyterLab, you're not just writing code, you're crafting ideas, you're testing possibilities, you're shaping how AI will behave. JupyterLab is not just a tool, it's a creative partner. If you've ever wanted a powerful, flexible, intuitive way to work with AI models, JupyterLab is where your journey begins. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone curious about AI. Stick around for future videos. See you in the next one.